In this video, I will show you how you can start making money online by utilizing CPA marketing. And for this, you will not need a camera, a website, or any investment. Most of you watching this don't have any of those and are looking to make money online as complete beginners. So this tutorial is perfect for you. I am going to show you a bonus website to maximize your earnings. So please stay tuned till the end of the video. Before we start, welcome to my channel where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below what country you are in right now, because this way I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. CPA stands for cost per action, and on CPA networks, you can find different offers like affiliate products. But where they differ is that when you are promoting a CPA offer to get paid, you merely require a sign-up most of the time, not a purchase. And this is quite important because I think how harder it is to convince someone to pay for something, in contrast to convincing them to sign up to some website or app. So CPA marketing is a far better option for beginners who've never made money online. All you have to do is you will need an offer to promote, and to find them, you need some CPA marketplace, and you can use any CPA marketing site out there that you want to. And I want you to check out multiple websites and see which ones are best for you. The main reason is that on some sites, you will find offers that primarily work only in the USA, and perhaps you are not from the USA, in which case you will need some other site. The two websites I highly recommend you check out are offervault.com and cpalead.com. All are equally good platforms that have offers available both worldwide and only in certain countries like the USA. But once again, if you don't want to use them, feel free to use some other website of your choosing. Once you pick a website, you need to sign up for it before starting promoting anything. Now go over this website, which is called cpalead.com. CPA Lead is a CPA marketplace that connects mobile app advertisers to anyone with mobile traffic. There are plenty of ways to earn money. The most popular way is to share a link to one of their mobile app install offers with your traffic. If they click on your link and download the app, then you earn a commission. If you're a mobile app developer, then simply implement in offervault.com and ask your visitors to install an app to access your in-app rewards or currency. If you are a social media influencer, ask your subscribers and followers to interact with an offer to support you or to unlock premium content. Now you need to create an account to make money. Here you can easily sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Simply fill up this form, click on this submit information button right here. When you log into your new account, you will land on this page. Now you need to find something to promote. You don't want to promote anything. You want to find something that people will want to check out and sign up to make you money in the process. For the example of this video, let's say I want to promote this offer right here. To grab a CPA link, all I have to do is simply click on this offer, and the CPA link will be located right here. When someone signs up via this particular link, you will get paid. Now the main part of this video is the traffic, and I have some sources to share with you. Now go over this website called facebook.com. You would want to join groups in your niche. For this video, I want you to join Facebook groups about giveaways and making money online. And what you would do yourselves in those groups is share your link, but you don't want to do it right after joining the group. That would make it obvious you are trying to make money promoting something. Instead, what I've always recommended is talking to the members first, trying to provide some value, answering questions and stuff like that. If you do that, you would get some credibility. And so when you leave a post saying, check out this giveaway, for example, people would be a lot more willing to check out what you are promoting. The obvious issue you will face here is that this isn't passive income right away. It does require some work, but it does not require investment, and after leaving your post in a bunch of groups, you would start making money passively from there. Now I will show you a bonus website to maximize your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment below what country you are in right now. Now let's get started. Let's go to this website called Hercules.com. For almost 20 years, they has offered affordable internet marketing solutions to thousands of our members. Hercules sprung off their original site and one of the first email marketing lists created in 1998. They are now proud to launch Hercules Plus, which offers as great features as the original site, but includes many new game-changing features and improvements. As a Hercules member, you will be able to advertise your legal, non-porn material-related website, system, program, product, or service to a targeted audience of thousands of real people. Through their integrated email opt-in list, the Zone site surfing, and Here blurb systems, Hercules Plus takes email and internet marketing to the next level. They will allow you to advertise to thousands of people daily for free. They will give you a $5 sign-up bonus when you create an account. The cool thing is that this is coming from 100% real traffic and a real network of real people. And this is perfect because we won't be able to target a specific type of person. So obviously, if you were like running Facebook ads or Google ads, you would be able to customize the preferences of your ideal clicks. And then you would be able to target a specific type of person. But because this offer has such a mass appeal, anyone can enter their email address to become a qualified lead for a gift card. Now click on this button right here. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Now all you have to do is create your account by entering your first and last name. You can leave this box blank. You will create a username for your account, then create a password and enter the subscription email. So the email address where you're okay with receiving thousands of emails. So enter some email address that you're not actively using in this subscription box, and then enter your main email address in this box right here, because this one will be used for receiving lots of emails. And once you're done with that, you want to read their terms of service, and you want to click this box if you agree with it, and then click on I'm not a robot, fill out the CAPTCHA, and click Create Account button right here. Once you've registered, you will be able to submit one email every single day to 1,000 people, so that it will be distributed to 1,000 people every single day. So every single day, you can submit one email, and that's 30,000 emails per month. Now you can imagine your earning potential. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.